Hello! So glad you could join me today. This is my second poetry reading for my YouTube channel. Today's poem is titled, This Is How the Wind Blows. I wrote this when I was in high school, so this was about 20 to 25 years ago, something like that. It's not exact math because, hey, who likes confessing their age once they reach a certain age, right? Here goes. Endless whispers around the corner. Some hidden apprehension threatens. That fear released, then it happens. Forces of earth swirling round. Perhaps only chaos bound. Deep in the night, she unwinds, her heart convincing her earth is blind to her beauty, grace, and simpleness. Clothed in a dull gray dress, she comes so softly, so strongly, sometimes, and then goes. This is how the wind blows. Have a wonderful day. Peace.